The first step in troubleshooting your Navien tankless water heater is checking the flow sensor. This critical component detects water flow and signals the burner to ignite. Start by opening and closing the pressure relief valve near the heater's outlet. This simple action can help reset the flow sensor and resolve minor issues. If the problem persists, remove and clean the flow sensor. Gently clean any corrosion buildup. Consider upgrading to a corrosion-resistant stainless steel version for better long-term performance. Next, check for error codes displayed on your unit. Navien water heaters have built-in diagnostic codes that help identify specific problems. Consult your user manual for the meaning of each code. Verify that your gas valve is fully open and check for any gas line leaks. Also ensure correct water pressure and that your water filter is not clogged. These supply issues can cause cycling problems. Regular system flushing removes mineral and sediment buildup that can interfere with proper operation. This maintenance step is crucial for preventing flow sensor issues and maintaining consistent performance. If you experience surging or pulsing water temperatures, where the temperature fluctuates rapidly, this typically indicates a faulty flow sensor or check valve. This symptom requires immediate attention. If problems persist after following these troubleshooting steps, contact a professional plumber or Navien customer support. Complex issues may require specialized tools and expertise to resolve safely. By systematically addressing these flow and demand issues, you can often resolve the cycling problem and restore consistent hot water performance to your Navien tankless water heater.